We all came to hear the testimony. What if somebody, how can I explain it? How can I say it? What if you now have a discussion, a religious discussion, or a Holy Bible and a Holy Quran discussion? Now you're talking with the people. Now you're asking them, where did the first demon come from? Why does the demon go into the pig? Hello. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Why does the demon go into the pig? Remember, it's the Holy Bible and the Holy Quran. Why does the demon go into the pig? Where did the first demon come from? Now you go to the Holy Quran and you ask, Muhammad was there, right? He's a prophet. Why? Where did the first murder come from? Who did make the first murder? God did instruct Cain and Abel to write the Holy Quran. Cain didn't make, Abel did. Right? That didn't really happen because in Galatians 5 is shit. If you make someone dead, what goes around come back again around. God instructed them to write the Holy Quran. Is immortal. God was immortal that time. When Adam and Eve ate from the tree in Genesis, so God told them, you ate from the tree, now you will go dead. So God had put them in heaven. But God could come out of heaven again. He was immortal till he found his wife in Israel. His wife's name is Azrael. I hope I pronounced it right correctly. And then God married the Israelite. And then God also decided one day that he shall also stay in heaven until a certain time, till the trumpets get blown 7 times, till they all come out again. Then they asked, who did create the first murder? Asked Muhammad that in the Holy Quran, but it shows back to the Bible, to Cain and Abel. You understand?